I know them are so get pull over from Crossroad, brother. I know them not turn on the light and say pull over, no, brother.
And Sheba, make sure you make the man know, say, Nhance, I'm youth, you know. Nobody go around that thing, you know. Make the man know now, because the man there run. And you, popcorn, trying to put your foot on the gaza in the boy. Because we don't want to see you.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will talk about Nhance getting draped up by the police, arrested him for no reason. Also, this guy came out and claimed that Nhance a Kartel's son. Also, sadly, the 17 people that were murdered in Clarendon and much more. But before we jump into that, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like on the video. Also, subscribe to this channel if it's your first time watching, so that way you don't miss out on the latest updates. Stay tuned. Now, I don't know what the reason is why they pull over Nhance, but he must say they never turn on no light or tell him to pull over and just a drive back him and a smoke and he look like a drunk. So him say, and they all rip off the man's shirt. But take a look at this video.
Yo, April, call bone. I know them are so get pull over from Crossroad, brother. I know them not turn on the light and say pull over, no, brother. DJ, just relax, call bone. Just relax, let them do them thing, because them wrong your fuck. Yes, yeah, I know, I smoke, them a smoke, and them under them weed and them rum, brother.
We never start with them from that. So when them a bring him go,
Yo, me a come.
bring him go. Which station? We need.
The other day, Nhance went on stage regarding an interview about, his performance and stuff, and then Winfred bring up Kartel and asked him if Kartel is father, and to me it sound like basically he say even if I true that and nothing in meaning he not no problem with that. But listen to what I say, you tell me what you think.
You don't know, he's a legend of the music where I take part in right now, which is dancehall music. So me feel good to see the king of dancehall.
Yes.
He's now a free man.
But yes, in terms of this, people think that you're his son. No,
Yeah.
What have you done with that? How does that? Is that still lingering or what?
It still linger because it's still there all over my comment section them and in my DM as well. But my mother used associate herself with the Portmore Empire, the Gaza camp. People are going to put it for them way. And the youth talented, which is me. I am the youth.
Yes.
So more than likely people are going to put it that way there and say, But nothing wrong still. Nothing wrong.
You see him say nothing wrong. Nothing wrong even if he come over saying daddy and in have a problem with that. But I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. I came across this video on TikTok with this guy mask up in face as I call out I don't know Kartel. Say Kartel, if you go link Kartel and call out Da Vinci, Popcorn and Sheba. Again with saying Nhance and his son. But the fact that things say want Popcorn pan Gaza, I wonder what really are going. Take a look.
You need to link up daddy. Yeah, I do on ya. You need to link up daddy. I don't want you to fuck you out of your mouth in a boy. You need to circle and give daddy a link.
Fresh drop.
Tommy Lee, you need to circle daddy. Daddy they road about a week and now I'm going to see a circle yet, Da Vinci, now make me have to tell you if you come circle daddy in a boy. And you, Popcorn, trying to put your foot on the gaza in a boy. Because we don't want to see you.
Fresh drop.
You hear that? Black Rhino, you can circle to here. And Sheba, make sure you make the man know, say, Nhance, I'm youth, Nobody go around that thing, Make the man know now, because the man there run. Say, Nhance a film. You hear that? World boss. One Gaza.
You must have heard the news by now. It's a sad day in Jamaica because there has been 17 people that have been shot and murdered in Clarendon at a bingo party on Cherry Tree Lane with a 10-year-old, an 8-year-old, and a 1-year-old child along with some adults. It's very sad because these are innocent bystanders of my name business. I wouldn't even say wrong place, wrong time, because the people that are my name business, this is just, well, people are saying it's gang related, and this is what the police had to say about it.
About 9 p.m., a group of citizens from the Cherry Tree Lane community of Four Park Clarendon were assembled at a car wash playing bingo when a group of men approached and opened fire, killing 8 persons, including an 8-year-old boy and 3 females. 9 persons, including a 1-year and 9-month-old baby, were shot and injured and are at the hospital. It is an unfortunate and brutal incident, one that I think borders on terrorism, because I think this act is to instill fear and to intimidate the community. The police is committed to ensure that justice is done, and we are using all our resources to ensure that the purpose.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness had spoken out regarding the shooting. He said, "I have called the National Council to a special meeting. We will discuss the brutal gun attack on Cherry Tree Lane. We will respond strongly to this act of brutality. I condemn this reprisal attack, which resulted in several people in Clarendon being murdered. I extend my deepest condolence to all the families who were affected by this tragedy. I've spoken to the police high command and advised that all efforts must be extended to bring the perpetrators to justice as quickly as possible. Our hearts goes out to the family members of the children who died and, everybody else that lost a loved one."
Maybe I feel me last night. I mean, it was your last night in my birthday. Jesus Christ, thank you.
We are really sorry to hear that, and boy, crime just, I don't know when it's going to stop. But tell me what y'all think about this in the comment section. I came across this video the other day. RT Boss said Kartel don't have long to live. Say Kartel go in a problem when it come on to December round, when in concert we keep and say he's soon dead. I wouldn't wish death on no one, but before we jump into the video, I would really appreciate it if you leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel if it's your first time watching to make sure you don't miss out on any of the latest updates. So here's what RT had to say about Kartel's life.
I do not go yet me. But what I want you to know, the man not last long. The man not have lasting long in this road. He not gonna last long. He will not last long. Is that the man that is going to be recovered? There's going to be problem with him in December around the show. Problem with him and police with the show. We're in, they might even lock off the show. So they have problem with the Prime Minister. Because the way you come out with the orange, you really trouble the Prime Minister this when you come out with the orange. And that is why I say the man don't have no chill pill. Because you come out of jail and you are come for everybody. Like, what the fuck? Like, nigga, like, that's the thing with you, and that's why you're not gonna last long. You better when you did in a way you're there, because when you did in a way you're there, you're safer and you're more protected. But the fact that you put yourself out there, you are walk a create enemy. Why would you attack the Prime Minister in a critical time like this? For PMP, then question, you think a big labor right like myself, yeah, I go switch because of him? You think me die-hearted labor right when no say Andrew Wellness that do film thing? All of them PMP, they who are Gaza PMP, I go work with him. But I feel that is an atrocious behavior, and there are many artists in Jamaica who are aware of this whole politics thing, and many of them involved and them distance themselves. But for a man like him who have that whole influence, right, the first thing you come use the influence, a bill of politics, that's them something then alright. So with everything what me I said, this man only a cast judgment on himself, and going forward he's going to have a problem, because the bottom line is this man is not a good man. And I'm not looking no clout off him. If you notice, I never want to call him name. I said this man. It's not because I know him involved in criminal activity. Not because I know that him have him gang. Not because I know that he has done. Not because I know that whatever he go to jail for, he definitely do it. He's not innocent. He's guilty. Not because I know all of these things because I'm Jamaican. I know who I'm dealing with. But what I am saying, I don't even afraid of him. Because if me did afraid of him, at least let me want you know. Number one, I don't have anything against this man, but I thought the truth. And me and this man have something going on long time secretly from me and Gracie. He's the man we're supposed to order anything where Gracie say. Him is the man where if it do any cleaning up for the Gracie part. But what I want you to know, the man not last long.
You heard it from the prophet of dancehall. He says Kartel will not live long. Anyways, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.